Before we begin, I'd like to offer you a couple tips to help you get the most out of all that will be on offer to you today. First of all, if at any time you have any questions or need assistance, just ask one of the many volunteers wearing a burgundy or pink t-shirt with a KPCC 3D Printer Club logo on it, and they'll be happy to help you out. Next, just to orient you a bit, I'll point out the major areas of activity. So up on the stage, at the top of this diagram in blue, that's where I am. In the middle of the floor, directly in front of me, are the Design Challenge Team displays. Behind the displays and over on the side against the windows are demonstration tables and vendor tables. On the opposite wall in green is where the morning snacks are and where the lunch will be served at 12:30. And across the hall, designated here are the classrooms where the breakout presentations will take place. So most of you will be there starting at 10 o'clock, and that's when the judges will be judging the challenge team display tables. But not to worry if you haven't had a chance to look at all the great displays yet. They'll be up all day, so while you're in presentations, the judging will be happening, but afterwards you'll have plenty of time to check out the challenge team displays. And also the vendors and demonstration tables will be up all day as well.